Hello learners. Welcome back to the Lighthouse ERP Academy. In today's session, we will learn the complete sales return process in Lighthouse ERP, including sales return listing, return entry, approval, and the cancellation process. Let's begin. 1. Sales return listing screen. This is the sales return listing screen. Here you can see all return entries created for the selected period. At the top, key KPIs show total sales returns, approved, unapproved, closed, change requests. The table below displays details like sales return VR, number, return date, customer code and name, from place to place, invoice amount, number of items, status, approved, unapproved. From here, we can add a new return entry or open an existing one. 2. Sales return general details. This is the sales return general details screen. Here you enter series and transaction type, customer name, challan number and challan date, party bill number and date, gate entry number, party reference, details, audit remarks. Below, you can also update billing and shipping address, transport, freight details, add-on details, payment details, brokerage details. Item table at the bottom displays all returned items with challan, reached, accepted, and billed quantities. Once verified, click Update to save the entry. 3. Sales return entry, item details. Next is the sales return item details screen. This page captures item name, division, department, go down, stock type, batch, reference, accepted quantity, billed quantity, material value, taxes, total amount, rejected, shortage quantity, difference in material value. All return calculations such as IGST, CGST, SGST and net adjustments are automatically updated based on the returned material. 4. Sales return approval. After saving the entry, the return moves to the approval stage. Here, the approver can review all general details, verify quantities and values, check supporting documents, approve or unapprove the voucher. Once approved, stock is updated in the sales return go down, and financial adjustments can be processed. 5. Sales return cancellation. Now, let's understand sales return cancellation, which is an important part of the process. A sales return can be cancelled only if it is approved and not yet used for any further process like credit note. Key points for cancellation. Open the sales return entry from the listing screen. Switch the voucher to edit mode. Click Cancel Record. System will ask for confirmation. After cancellation, stock movement is reversed. Entry is marked as cancelled. It no longer appears in pending or approval reports. Cancellation is helpful when wrong quantity was entered, wrong customer was selected, return was created by mistake, duplicate entry exists. This completes the sales return workflow including cancellation. Thank you for watching. With this, we complete the entire sales module of Lighthouse ERP, from quotation, contract, order, delivery, invoice, and now sales return. In the next video, we will begin a new module and move forward in our Lighthouse ERP learning journey. See you in the next session.